Remove your new faux wood blinds from the package, and make sure you have all the hardware required. First, locate 3 1/8 inches to 3 7/8 inches between the end of the headrail and the installation bracket on each side. Note, there may be more than 2 brackets depending on the width you have selected. If so, space the middle brackets evenly according to the number of brackets received. Then measure the required distance from the edge of the window opening, based on the mounting style and valance type you have selected. If you are installing the blind without a valance, then the required minimum distance from the wall face to the back side of the brackets is 2 13/16 inches. However, if your blind comes with optional valance for inside mount or semi-inside mount, please review the required distance. Use a pencil to mark these measurements. Peel off the protective film to expose the adhesive tape on the back of the brackets. Then stick the brackets on the marked locations on each side. Use 2 1 1/4 inch mounting screws to secure each bracket through the diagonal holes. Follow the same steps for the brackets on the right side of the window. If you have ordered valances for your blinds, please skip to the 2/38 section of the video. There are 2 ways to install the headrail. Option 1. Attach the headrail to the front lip of the brackets first, then push the back of the headrail upward into the brackets. A click sound means the headrail is secure. Option 2. Put the back of the headrail into the brackets first, then push the front of the headrail upward into the front lip of the brackets. If you received a split wand, assemble it by screwing the wand handle clockwise onto the end with the wand tilt connector until firmly connected. Insert the wand tilt connector into the bottom of the headrail. Push until you hear a click. Do not remove the wand after installed. For semi-inside mount, slide the valance return connectors onto the valance. Use them to join the returns to the valance. For inside mount, no valance return needed. Distribute the weight of the valance evenly against the blind. Attach the clips into the receptor and have them space out so they avoid internal hardware. Place clips into the channel on the back side of the valance. Once the clips are attached, hook the valance onto the headrail. Remove the valance before snapping the headrail into the installation brackets, but leave the receptors attached to the headrail. After the headrail has been installed, insert the wand tilt connector into the bottom of the headrail. Push until you hear a click. Do not remove the wand after installed. Then reattach the valance by inserting the plugs into the receptors. If your blinds are installed as a flush inside mount, make sure to insert the plugs into the bottom of the receptors. The valance should fit against the top of the window casing. If your blinds are installed as a semi-inside mount, make sure the height between the top of the receptors and valance is 11/16 inch while inserting the plugs. Pull down the bottom rail to lower the blinds, and rotate the wand to attain desired slat position. Congratulations on installing your new faux wood blinds.